We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Epson Workforce WF7710 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. So if you've been getting a low ink or replace ink warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is look at the screen and take note of whichever color inks need to be replaced. So once you know which colors need to be replaced, the next thing you need to do is tell the printer that you're going to replace the ink cartridges. So in order to do that, you're going to go all the way to the right side of your screen here, and you're going to find the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. And then we're going to come down, we're going to find where it says maintenance, and click on maintenance. And then we're also going to click down here where it says ink cartridge replacement. And then once you click on that, you're going to go ahead and click on the start option. So now we've done that. Here on the screen, it's going to give you a last visual reminder of how much ink you have in each one of your ink cartridges, just so you don't forget which cartridges need to be replaced. And then we're going to open up the top of this printer. So there's a handhold on either side of the printer. You're going to put your hands in there and lift up this top cover until it opens up to its locked position. The print head's going to move around for a little bit. You want to wait till the print head comes to a complete stop, and then we'll be able to access the print heads. Okay, so our print head has come to a complete stop. So now we can get to our ink cartridges. So on the very top here, there's a little gray tab. You're gonna, with an arrow pointing down, you're gonna push in on that gray tab and lift that cover. So once you have that lifted, you're gonna be able to access all four of your ink cartridges, and you're gonna be able to remove them and replace whichever ones you need now. So in our case, our cyan ink needs to be replaced. So at the very top of the ink cartridge, there's a little tab. You're gonna push in on that tab and grab it with. Usually I use either my middle or my index finger and my thumb, pull it straight out like that. Very, very simple. Again, this is a little tab here, you're just going to push in and pull straight out like that. So once you have your new one unpacked and ready to go, you're going to take it, slide it right back down into its slot, push it all the way down till it clicks into position. Once you've completed that, you're going to want to repeat that process for any and all inks that need to be replaced. Once you have all those done, you're going to lower this cover, push it all the way down until it clicks into position, and then you can lower this top cover here. Now the printer is going to take a second and initialize and prepare those new ink cartridges for use. Once your screen comes back to its normal ready state, then you'll be good to go and back up and print. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help provide you with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to help provide those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.